Hello friends, in this session we will learn two basic concepts of Vedic mathematics, that is bases and complements. These are very easy to understand and necessary also to understand, because using these bases and complements we will be able to do long multiplications, divisions, squares and cubes in seconds. So let's see first what is a base. Bases are numbers starting with 1 followed by any number of zeros. I repeat that bases are those numbers which start with 1 and a single 1 and they are followed by any number of zeros. So the starting number should be 1 and it should be followed by a 0. That means the smallest base will be 10 and the other bases can be 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, or any number of zeros can be put, and all these numbers are called bases. Or you can also say 10 to the power n. The power of tens can also be called as bases. So the condition is that there should be only one 1 in the starting and it should be followed by zeros. So all those numbers are called bases. Easy enough? Now let's say if I give you a number so what will you say? This is a base or not? Definitely you will say this is not a base, because this one should be followed by only zeros. There shouldn't be any other one in between. So this is not a base. If I say, is this a base? Then again this is not a base, because there are two ones. There should be only one 1. So this is again is not a base. If I say, is this a base? What will you say? I think you have answered it correctly, that it is again not a base because it is starting with 2. It should start with 1 only. And what about this? Is it a base? Yes, it is a base, because it satisfies all the conditions of a number for a number to be a base. Like it is starting with 1 followed by zeros. So this is a base. Now let's come to a second concept, which is complements. Now what are complements? Let's first understand this and then we will see how to find out complements. Those two numbers which when added together results in the nearest base are called complements of each other. That means whenever two numbers, the addition of two numbers gives a base, they are called complements. For example, 57 plus 43 is equal to 100. So 57 on adding 43 to it is resulting in a base 100. That means 57 and 43 are complements of each other. You can also say 57 is a complement of 43 and 43 is a complement of 57. I hope you have understood. Once again I am going to tell you, 57 is the complement of 43 and 43 is the complement of 57, because both of them are adding to give a base, that is 100, right? Now let's take another example to understand it better. If I ask you, what is the complement of 64? Now as you know that two numbers when added together, if they are resulting in 100, then they are complements. So 64 plus what will give you 100? It is very easy, you can mentally do it, right? And the answer is 36. Yes, the answer is 36. Now if I give you a little big number, let's say 789, and you have to find out the complement of 789, then I think that also is very easy. Just you have to subtract 789 from 1000 and you will get mentally the answer as 211. So that was easy how to find out complements. But what if I give you a number like this? If you have to find out the complement of 9, 5, 6, 7, 2, 9, 3, 8, 9. then definitely you will be able to find its complement, but you have to do a long subtraction for that, and which I think you won't be able to do it mentally. You will take some time. So now I am going to tell you one formula, the first formula of Vedic mathematics, by using which you can easily find out the complements, which are going to be of great help in doing big calculations.